In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new lead scoring tool. Lead scoring is an essential feature that helps you prioritize potential customers based on their engagement levels and likelihood to convert, and knowing how to set it up properly can supercharge your marketing efforts. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to the HubSpot website. It's the starting point for accessing the new lead scoring tool. Once you're there, glance over to the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the Login button. Give it a click and you will be prompted to sign in. If you're using Google for your account, HubSpot makes it incredibly convenient. Select Sign in with Google and choose your Google account. Once you're in your HubSpot dashboard, it's time to navigate to the lead scoring feature. Start by heading over to the marketing section. From there, you'll want to look for the lead scoring tab and click on it. HubSpot's interface is quite user-friendly, but if you're new, just keep an eye out for that particular tab. Now that we're in the lead scoring section, it's time to set up your lead scoring from scratch. Look for the option that says Start from Scratch. This is where you can begin customizing your scoring algorithm tailored to your specific needs. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your score type. The score type is an important step as it frames the criteria you'll be using to evaluate leads. Take a moment to consider what's most relevant for your business. After selecting your score type, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Create button. This action will initiate the process of building your lead scoring criteria. Now, you'll want to add an event group or property group. These groups help categorize your criteria based on user behavior or characteristics. Following that, it's time to dive deeper and add specific criteria. This is where you define the individual actions or properties that will positively or negatively influence each lead's score. Be thoughtful and strategic when choosing these. For each piece of criteria you decide upon, carefully select the event or properties you're interested in using. Now that you've selected the criteria, it's time to ensure everything's set up correctly. Click on Review and Turn On, located in the top right corner. If you encounter any errors or alerts, don't worry. Simply go back, address any issues, and make sure everything aligns correctly. Once you've ironed out any issues, click Review and Turn On again. Finally, give it a last look to confirm everything is in order, and then click on Turn On. That's it. Your lead scoring is now active, ready to help you prioritize prospects and convert them into customers more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy scoring.